Good morning. Today is March 9th, 2025. It's 9:45 in the morning, and we have come here to this place for strawberry picking. The season for strawberry picking is usually between December to March every year, and a lot of strawberry farms are here in Bangalore, and it's very widely grown in the regions of Maharashtra and Bangalore. So we thought, let's have this unique experience. So we have decided to come to this particular strawberry farm here called the Berry Company of Bangalore. We started from our home at around 7 o'clock in the morning. It took us around 1.5 hours. It's around 7 kilometers from Bangalore, very near to the Kolar region. If you see behind me, there is a lot of parking space for cars to park. Couple of cars have already parked here. Now we will proceed towards the strawberry farm and hoping we'll have a very unique and interesting experience. This is how the surrounding looks like. You can see the cars parked. A lot of space for cars to park, and it's very popular on the weekends because families come with kids for this nice experience. It's not very hot yet, though we are carrying some protections like hat. Also, it's recommended to use a lot of sunscreen because the heat tends to get quite unbearable, and this is very close to the Kolar region, which is known for its heat, and summer has already set in. So now it's still morning, so there is still a bit of respite, but soon it would become very hot. You can see these are the corn plants, and beside this looks like a variety of tomato. We have collected a basket for strawberry picking. There's a nice shades where you can sit and relax. Now proceeding towards strawberry picking.
Cherry tomato cherry tomato पर्पल क्या बेचो गेट पास जाना है येलो चेरी टमाटर जाए तो उधर ही है। अच्छा, वाटरमेलन इधर ही है, मस्कमेलन वाटरमेलन इधर ही है। अभी स्ट्रॉबेरी की
Now we are actually going inside the farm for picking strawberries. You can see small papaya trees. There's one, there's two, there's a third one, and the papaya is just within your reach. Even a kid can reach these papayas and pluck them from the trees. Different fruits, plants are also there other than strawberry. Now we are inside the fields, surrounded by different kind of fruit plants. There is a guide who is accompanying us for the strawberry picking, so he is explaining us the different fruits which are grown here in this farm, and also how to pick the fruits. All the strawberry plants, you can start picking strawberries from here. Also there are a few ahead, so you can pick from there also. This is a guava. In fact, you can pick other fruits also. So this is the first fruit which I plucked. See all the strawberries, the red ones. So the way to pick the strawberries are, so look for the ones which are red and big, then slightly hold them from the base and twist the stem. So it will come out gently.
How is it? Mishti?
Strawberry pick.
Mama, ये पाता ना तो Mama देखो.
So you can actually eat while you're picking. There is no cost for, they don't charge you if you eat it here once you pick it. But if you take it home or carry it back, you will have to pay 500 per kg. Any fruits, whether it's strawberry or guava or papaya or any fruits. Also, there is an entry fee for this place. It's 500 per person. Even kids, I think above the age of 3, you have to pay the same price. You can book the tickets from their website online and come here. There's also cafeteria, which I'll show you later. You can get some other items there like strawberry juice, ice creams and all. But first we will see how much we can pick, and we'll try some fresh strawberries and fruits from here. And by the way, these are all organically grown, so it's all safe to eat.
Basket.
To pick strawberries which are like really red and plumpy. Very sweet.
Dai ওগুলো খুশিস না
এখানে এখানে
All the fruits are really tasty. I tasted both the strawberry and the guava. Both are like very sweet from what you get in the local markets. Come on, strawberry.
দেখো এখানে একটু স্ট্রবেরি হয়ে গেছে তুলতে পারছি না হচ্ছে না
Look at this. How many guavas in a single branch, and all within reach.
আরেকটা গুয়াভা
You can pluck and eat as much as possible.
মামা আমি এটা চাই
Look at the size of the papayas.
এটা ছোট
Huge.
বেবি বেবি বাবাইয়া তো বাবাই তুলি দাঁড়া দাঁড়া দেখছি কোনটা ভালো
There are so many strawberries and fruits in abundance here that you feel like picking everything up, but you can't. So you have to resist yourself and pick only a selected few. Actually trying to get one papaya.
মান বাবাইয়া ও বা বাবাইয়া বাবাইয়া আমি ধরে দেখি বাবাইয়া কোশ 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 কোশ
There are plenty of farms around Bangalore which allows people to come over and do this fruit picking activities. So you've come to this, this farm is called the Bangalore Berry Company. They themselves have 3 farms. So while booking your tickets, you can actually choose which one you want to go for. Also, there are few other farms like the Wholesome farm, which I saw on the net. So like that, there are a couple of other farms which you can choose to visit, and most of them have their websites up, and you can book tickets online before coming here. So looks like we are done here doing our strawberry and other fruits picking. So we will slowly, I think, go to the rest area. Looks like we are not done yet. So now we will go, and they also have cherries and tomatoes which are grown here. So we will go and do one round of picking of cherries and tomatoes. As I said, the season for growing, these are all seasonal, especially strawberries are seasonal fruits. So the best time to visit this farm for strawberry picking is between December and March. By March end it usually gets over. But probably the perfect time would be sometime early first week of Feb, as the heat will be little less. Though I mean, it's not unbearable, we can still walk around the farm without much discomfort, but still probably February end or mid would be a better time to come here than March. But yes, but you get the sweetest one in March. So the strawberries taste the best when you come at this time of the year. The pumpkins. See so many of them. Which I showed you are not pumpkins, these are watermelons. I just picked this is a watermelon. Not sure how will it be, but probably we'll get to know once we cut it and eat it at home. But feels heavy and looks very nice. These are the cherry tomato plants. You can see the small red and orangish in color. This entire row is only for this cherry tomato. There are banana plants also. Now we have to weigh this. These are all the items which you get here, mostly strawberry items.
Nice. Nice.
So this is the waffle with 2 slices of strawberry at the top and a lot of strawberry sauce. Very good.
Very good.
So we are mostly done exploring this place. Had a really fun time and a new kind of an experience in picking strawberries and other fruits right from the plants and the trees at the farm. So signing off from here. We'll be back in our next travel vlog very soon. Till then, take care. And if you like seeing my videos, please support me by subscribing to the channel, like the page, like the video, share the video, and thank you so much. Bye bye from Bangalore Berry Company. We'll see you soon in our next travel experience.